Alhamdulillahi wahda, wa salatu wa salamu ala man la nabiyya ba'da, wa ala alihi wa ashabihi alladhina awfu ahda, amma ba'd. Nowadays, unfortunately, we get a lot of people who talk against Deoband. You have a lot of internet shuyukh who are doing takfir and who criticize and talk against anyone who connect themselves with Deoband, and they say that you have kufri aqaid or you have incorrect beliefs and so on and so forth. The reason for this debate or the reason for this discussion is for the simple fact that they themselves have not understood what Deobandiyyat is. The reason for that is because a lot of people around the world, they connect themselves with Deoband, they call themselves Deobandi, and then they go and talk about things which are not in fact masail or aqaid of Deoband. Rather, they are their opinions themselves, but somehow it has been linked, or they link themselves with Deoband. So I believe it is really important that we should clarify what Deoband is and who are the people involved in Deoband. And when it comes to aqaid and when it comes to ahkam and different masail and opinions of scholars, it is important that we understand who are the authority in Deoband, or who are the authority scholars of Deoband. So the first sheikh and teacher of Shaykh al-Hind, Hazrat Mawlana Muhammad Qasim Nanotwi rahimahullah, and his second sheikh and teacher, Hazrat Mawlana Rashid Ahmad Gangohi rahimahullah, Shaykh al-Hind Mawlana Mahmud al-Hasan Deobandi rahimahullah, and his immediate students. For example, Imam al-Asr Mawlana Muhammad Anwar Shah Kashmiri rahimahullah, Hakim al-Ummat Mujaddid al-Millat Mawlana Ashraf Ali Thanwi rahimahullah, founder of Tablighi Jamaat Mawlana Ilyasghuman rahimahullah, and Sharih Sahih Muslim Allama Shabir Ahmad Usmani rahimahullah, Mufti A'zam Hind Mufti Kifayatullah Dehlwi rahimahullah, and Shaykh al-Islam Mawlana Sayyid Hussain Ahmad Madini rahimahullah. The name of their beliefs and ideology is known, or it is classified as Deobandiyyat, and the name of their manhaj is also known as Deobandiyyat. What these gentlemen agree upon is the consensus issue, or an ijma'i mas'ala of Deoband. What it is disputed between them, it is the controversial mas'ala of Deoband. If a scholar explains masail, it will be seen that is it according to the unanimous opinions of these gentlemen that we've mentioned? If so, then it will be called as the position of Deoband. Meaning that if all these scholars agree upon something, now we will say that this is the opinion of Deoband. And if that mas'ala is against the opinion of these gentlemen, we will now classify it as the opinion against Deoband. The differences of the later scholars from these gentlemen will not be classified or interpreted as the differences of Deoband. Rather, it would be considered as the differences of opinion from Deoband. Let me give a simple example for this. If someone has iman in a false nabi, we will not say that there is an ikhtilaf of nubuwah within the Muslims. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. We will say there is ikhtilaf from the Muslims. Whoever believes in a false nabi, it will not be considered as a masala of the Muslim ummah. Rather, it would be considered an ikhtilaf from the Muslim ummah. So if someone who does not agree with the opinion of these shuyukh, it will not be considered as an ikhtilaf of Deoband. Rather, it would be considered as an ikhtilaf from Deoband.